Hey everyone, and welcome to History Unpacked. Today, we are diving into a pivotal moment in Philippine history, the Cry of Balintawak. The year is 1896. Tensions are at fever pitch. Filipinos tired of Spanish colonial rule are ready to fight for independence. At the heart of this revolution is a secret society called the Katipunan, led by its Supremo, Andres Bonifacio. On August 26, a crucial meeting takes place. According to Guillermo Masangkay, this meeting was held in Balintawak at the house of Apolonio Samson. Masangkay's account is special because it gives us a first-hand glimpse into who was present. He remembered the key figures: Bonifacio, Emilio Jacinto, Pio Valenzuela, and others. These weren't just random people. There we are, the Katipunan's leaders, the minds behind the revolution, delegates from nearby provinces like Bulacan, Cavite, and Morong were also there, showing how widespread the movement was. Now, why is this specific meeting so important? It's where the decision to launch the revolution was made. The cry itself, often associated with the tearing of cedulas or tax certificates, was symbolic act of defiance. Tearing of the cedulas was powerful way to declare that they were no longer subject of Spain. Masangkay's testimony is a key piece of the puzzle, but it is important to know that historical accounts of the cry differ. Some historians like Pio Valenzuela himself recalled a different date and location, especially August 23 in Pugadlawin. This discrepancy has led to a long-standing debate among historians. So, why the different stories? It's likely a mix of memory, perspective, and the chaos of the time. But Masangkay's account, with its detailed list of attendees and clear location, provides a powerful specific snapshot of the day. It highlights the collective nature of the uprising and the seriousness of the commitment made by Katipunan's leaders. Ultimately, whether it was on August 23 or 26 or in Balintawak or Pugadlawin, the core truth remains the same: a powerful group of Filipinos made a brave decision to fight for freedom. Guillermo Masangkay account can show us we never forget who was at the momentous meeting and what they risked for the birth of nation.